Chapter 8.5, Day 3, we're going to take a look at cryptography. We're going to use matrices to encode and decode messages. So a cryptogram is a message written according to a secret code, and then matrix multiplication can be used to encode and decode messages. To begin, we're going to assign a number to each letter in the alphabet, and 0 is our blank space, is listed below. So notice it just goes in order here. So A is 1, 2 is B, 3 is C, and so forth. Then convert the message to numbers and partition the numbers into uncoded row matrices, each having n entries, and so we'll see that here. Example 8. Write the encoded 1x3 row matrices for the message, meet me Monday. So what you want to do is we want to partition it. It says a 1x3, so it tells us how it wants it done. So this is really nice when you have a grid. Because then, so in your notebook with your graphing paper, then it's really nice to be able to, write a letter in each box. So we're going to do threes. So what this is going to look like, 1x3. So we're going to have M-E-E, and then we have T, and then a space, and then M, and then E, space, M, and then O-N-D, and then A-Y space. Okay, then you look up at the top, and so M is 13, E is 5, T is 20, so for the space you put 0. For M is 13, E is again 5, 0, M is 13, then O is 15, N is 14, D is 4, A is 1, Y is 25, and then the space is 0. So here's the uncoded 1x3 row matrix for the message, meet me Monday. So go ahead and try it for the write the uncoded 1x3 row matrix for the message, owls are nocturnal. So if you tried it out, you should have gotten 15, 23, 12, 19, 0, 1, 18, 5, 0, 14, 15, 3, 20, 21, 18, and 14, 1, and 12. So they should always be 3x3. So where we did this example here, notice even though we had only 2 letters, we still put a 0. It still needs to be a 1x3. So now we're going to use the invertible matrix below to encode the message, meet me Monday. And so let me fix this. So in order to encode it, what we're going to do is multiply the uncoded matrices, each one to A. So let me start this off. So looking at the left, right? So we're going to say meet me Monday. We already have the work over here. And so we're going to take 13, 5, and 5. And then we're going to multiply that to 1, negative 2, 2, negative 1, 1, and 3, 1, negative 1, and negative 4. So we have to do matrix multiplication. And then so this is 13 times 1 plus 5 times negative 1 plus 5 times 1. Then we do it again for the second column, right? That's first column, second column, 13 times negative 2 plus 5 times 1 plus 5 times negative 1. And then we do it for the third column, 13 times 2 plus 5 times 3 plus 5 times negative 4. Then what you will get, so this cancels out, this is 13, and then you would get negative 26 and 21. Then you repeat with the next line. So that would be 20, 0, and 13. Then you get 1, negative 2, 2, negative 1, 1, and 3, 1, negative 1, and negative 4, and then you multiply, right? Doing the same exact thing again. And then, so what you would get after you plug everything in, you would get 33, negative 53, and negative 12. And you keep on going until you finish all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these matrices. So go ahead and try it, finish this out, and then I will show you what the coded matrix looks like. So the first part is in multiplying everything first of all. So here is all the work right here. So then you would find that it's 13, negative, we already did the first one, 13, negative 26 and 21, we've already got this one. And the second one was 18, negative 23, negative 42, 5, negative 20 and 56, and negative 24, 23, and 77. Now what you do after that, you write the coded matrix. And so what you do is you just take all the values in order. It's important that it's in order. And then you write it dropping the brackets. And so the coded matrix is these values here. So if you'd like, here is an example to try. Use the invertible matrix below to encode the message, owls are nocturnal. So this is the you try example we did in the beginning. And so if you use those numbers here, the owls are nocturnal, then you multiply it to this invertible matrix here. Sorry, not here. Invertible matrix here, then you should get your coded message. So try it out. So if you tried it out, here is the work. And so here's the coded matrix: 110, negative 39, negative 59, 25, negative 21, negative 3, 23, negative 18, negative 5, 47, negative 20, negative 24, 149, negative 56, negative 75, 87, negative 38, and negative 37.